Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we're up in the air comparing two high-flying contenders, the DroneEye F10 foldable drone and the Tencent's GPS drone. So buckle up and let's take these babies for a spin. First up, let's talk cameras. The DroneEye F10 gives you a decent, "Hey, I see my house from here" 1080p FPV camera. Reviewers say the camera quality is serviceable, but some found it lacking in true 1080p quality. On the other side, the Tencent's GPS drone is flexing with a 4K ultra-clear camera. That's right, folks, 4K. Reviewers rave about the high-quality images and videos it captures, which is perfect for those looking to get detailed aerial shots. If you're all about the pixels, Tencent's is your guy. Now let's dive into the flight features. The DroneEye F10 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It does 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and even follows routes you draw on your phone. Reviewers praise its speed and fun features, though some had issues with stability and control. On the flip side, Tencent's is all about that GPS magic. It auto-returns if it senses it's lost, out of range, or low on power. It's like having a drone with a built-in homing pigeon. Reviewers love its intelligent features like GPS return, auto-follow, and gesture controls, making it perfect for hassle-free flying. Talk about a personal drone-tographer. Ease of use? DroneEye F10 is like that friendly neighbor who always offers to help. One key start landing, altitude hold, and headless mode make it super beginner-friendly. It's practically like having a drone on training wheels. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use, especially for kids and beginners, although some faced issues with syncing and control. Tencent's, on the other hand, is like that tech-savvy cousin who's got all the gadgets. It's packed with features like altitude hold, optical flow, and a one-key takeoff/landing. Plus, it comes with a carrying case for those who want to take their drone baby on vacation. Reviewers find it very user-friendly with seamless app connectivity, making it a joy to operate. It's like a drone that's been to finishing school. All right, let's talk money. The DroneEye F10 comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. Perfect if you're looking for some aerial fun without breaking the bank. Reviewers generally feel it offers great value for the price, though some mention quality control issues. Tencent's, however, is strutting in with a price tag of $169. But hey, you're paying for those extra bells and whistles, like that fancy 4K camera and GPS return. Reviewers agree it offers excellent value for its features, making it worth the higher price. It's like the difference between a nice family sedan and a tricked-out sports car. Overall, reviewers find the DroneEye F10 foldable drone to be a great entry-level option with good battery life and fun features, though some have faced issues with camera quality and control. The Tencent's GPS drone, on the other hand, is praised for its high-resolution camera, intelligent flight features, and user-friendly design. So there you have it, folks. If you're a beginner looking for some fun without spending much, the DroneEye F10 foldable drone is your new best friend. But if you want to splurge a bit for a drone with all the bells, whistles, and a 4K camera, then the Tencent's GPS drone is the way to go. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.